Hi, my name is Jacob Stevens and I'm the Customer Care Specialist at the Glass Door Store. Today we will walk you through our exterior door transformations and show you what you can expect from us when you choose to transform your ordinary door to extraordinary. This is an example of a customer's existing front door. As you can see, it's an oval-shaped glass door. This customer really wants to upgrade their glass door to something more modern or something that's more their style. Let's step inside. You can see the customer is receiving some light in the entryway, but they desire more. We can add light, beauty, and instant curb appeal by replacing their current door with an updated glass insert and door. We offer a wide variety of decorative glass insert styles in standard tempered and hurricane impact. Additionally, we offer a great selection of classic looks and custom etching. We have an easy 5-step process: measure, connect, choose, install, share. Once you follow our first step in our process, which is to measure your panels, you can connect with us and we can help you choose your glass insert. This door requires a retrofit since the panels are too wide to fit the standard glass insert. We will have to swap out the door and the glass insert to provide this customer with the look they are after. Another part of the process is to ensure that your existing door is in good shape. We can assist you with this when you connect with us and send or provide a photo of your door. Another instance someone might need to replace their door is if you're looking to have a farmhouse look or have one panel at the bottom with a 3/4 length glass, or if someone has an old, rotting door and definitely needs a replacement. Once we've ordered your new door and it's arrived at our warehouse, we can then install your new door. This type of installation usually takes less than 1 to 2 hours depending on your door configuration. Caleb, our installation technician, will now show us what it takes to install a new door. We hope that this video was helpful in understanding our process and what you can expect from a full door replacement. We would love the opportunity to serve you and to connect with us at our showrooms in Tampa and Lakeland by phone or on our website. We look forward to serving you soon.